We will first explain the summary profile and then take you through the detailed profile. On the left-hand side of the one-page summary profile is the career code. It is a combination of four profiles: builder, communicator, innovator, and enabler. The longest bar shows your dominant profile, and the shortest bar shows your recessive profile. This code is like a digital fingerprint. It is unique for each student because even if two students have the same order of the bars, the length of the bars will vary. It is also relative to yourself, which means that it will tell you if you're a better innovator than a communicator or if you are a better builder than an enabler. You should not compare your career code to anyone else's. Now, on the right hand side, we have the subject stream recommendation, the electives or activities, aptitude scores, and academic performance. We recommend the subject streams and activities by taking into account your personality, aptitude, motivation, and interest. Let's go through the detailed profile and understand the output better. Page number 2 of the detailed profile explains the philosophy of this. An innovator is a person who's the mind of the team. Somebody who likes working with new concepts and ideas and who likes to think out of the box is an innovator. Some innovator career roles are designer and scientist. Builders are hands-on members of the team. They like to get things done and execute tasks. A few examples of career roles that come under builder are engineer and business manager. Communicators are people who are the voice of the team. Through writing or speaking, they are good at persuading and inspiring people. A few examples of career roles that come under communicator are journalist and professor. Enablers are people who are the backbone of the team. People who like things to be organized and who follow a procedure while working are enablers. Some career roles are a lawyer and doctor. Every group or company requires people from all profiles to be able to function smoothly. If we take an example of a phone, innovators came up with the idea of the phone. Builders built it. Communicators took it to the consumers, and enablers scaled it by giving structure to large companies like Samsung and Apple. As given on page number 3, the detailed profile includes your career code, subject stream recommendations, a personality section, your aptitude scores, and academic performance. Part 1, given on page number 4 and 5, talks about your career code and through that talks about your strengths and the ideal work environment for you. For example, if you're a dominant builder, you would like to take an initiative to ensure timely completion of tasks. Or if you're a dominant enabler, you would like to do your work in a very detail-oriented manner. To make you start thinking about your career options, this page also gives us a brief idea about the career strengths that come under each profile and some examples of career roles. Part 2 on page numbers 6 and 7. Here we have the subject stream recommendations for you in a decreasing order of match. The electives or activities with green ticks are the ones that are recommended for you. Part 3A, pages 8 to 10. This section talks about your personality traits. Extroverts are people who enjoy being part of a large group and gain energy from those around them. People who enjoy being part of a smaller group and gain energy from within are introverts. Extroverts prefer width and introverts prefer depth in their relationships. Task-oriented people like engineers focus more on tangible outcomes. whereas influence-oriented people, like scientists, focus more on intangible outcomes. The scale in the middle depicts your personality type. At the bottom, we have also mentioned your primary and secondary personality traits. To give you a detailed description of your personality, we talk about your strength behaviors, your motivational needs from the work environment, and your stress behaviors. Sections 3B and 3C, given on page 11, have your percentile scores in verbal, logical, and mathematical aptitudes, and the subject-wise scores as entered by you. The last part of the detailed profile is section 3D on page 12. It is an appendix with definitions of the career strengths that were mentioned in the beginning. We hope that the test helped you understand yourself better and that you make right career decisions.